Hello students, today we're going to learn about some important terms used in Parliament: prorogation, adjournment and adjournment sine die. Let's understand what each term means and who is responsible for them. First, let's talk about adjournment.
Adjournment is like when your class takes a short break during the school day. The teacher, who is like the speaker in Lok Sabha or the chairman in Rajya Sabha, decides to stop the class for a while, maybe for lunch or a recess. After the break, everyone comes back and continues the class.
In Parliament, when a session is adjourned, it means the meeting is paused for a short period. The MPs will return later to continue discussing and making decisions. The Lok Sabha Speaker or the Rajya Sabha Chairman can adjourn the sessions. Now let's understand adjournment sine die.
Adjournment sine die is like when your class ends for the day without a specific date for the next class. The teacher, speaker or chairman, announces that there will be no more classes today, and they will let you know later when the next class will be.
In Parliament, adjournment sine die means the session ends and there's no fixed date for the next meeting. The Lok Sabha Speaker or the Rajya Sabha Chairman decides this. They will inform the MPs when they need to come back for the next session. Lastly, let's talk about prorogation.
Prorogation is like when the principal of the school, who is like the president of the country, decides to end the school term. All classes stop and students take a break until the new term begins.
In Parliament, prorogation means the President ends a session of Parliament. All activities in both the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha stop until the next session starts. This gives MPs a break and they can return to their constituencies or prepare for the next session. So, to summarize, adjournment is a short break in the session like a recess or lunch break. The speaker or chairman does this. Adjournment sine die is ending the session without a specific date to return, like finishing the school day. The speaker or chairman also does this. Prorogation is ending the entire session until the next one starts, like the principal ending the school term. The president does this. These actions help Parliament manage its time and ensure everything runs smoothly. I hope this makes things clear for you. Thank you for listening.